Scan the QR code. Download the Birdty app from App Store or Google Play. Open the Birdty app and create an account on the Birdty application. Please select your region and enter your email address. Enter the verification code. Create a password. Add device. Click the plus in the upper right corner, and select the type of device you purchased. Enter Wi-Fi name and password, then pass next. Make sure your device has sufficient battery power and make sure the link blinks quickly or you hear a beep. Scan the QR code on your phone with camera, heard a prompt tone. Wait for the network configuration completing. Please refer to the specific app interface if there are any difference. You can find much more useful information in the Help Center on app.